Welcome back, people. We've got another video. This is on the M365 Pro. I've done so much on this scooter, I've actually lost count. But anyway, I've used the speed hack on this for over 2 years now. Running very good still. If you want to know how to do it, you can always check out the other videos on the channel. There's a playlist of e-bikes and electric scooters, or electric scooters and e-bikes. You can check that out, and in there you'll see the speed hack for this scooter, me changing the front and back tyres, changing the stem pole, the bearings, and many other things. And also some repairs on the M365 Pro 2, and also the speed hack for that, for the M365 Pro 2. You will also find that. Also changed brake pads and so on. So today we are changing the inner cable of the brake cable. Now I'm going to show you why, because down here it's quite threaded and it's broken. It's still intact, but it's quite threaded. So I'm going to take a, what is that? A 5mm Allen key. No, it's not a 5mm, I think it's a 3mm Allen key. So that should, there you go, that's the one. There we go. So if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to drop a like. If you're able to share the content, please do. It definitely does help me grow as a content creator. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more and become a member, the link will be in the description below. So this is pretty much a straightforward one. As all I'm going to do is, obviously I've disconnected it now. I'm just going to get my handy wire cutters and give myself a clean cut off so I can pull the cable all the way through at the top. So let's see if we can try and do that. I've got to try and get it as close as I can. There we go. Try and get a nice clean cut on there. A good pair of wire cutters are going to help. Mine are kind of old, but they should still do the job, hopefully, possibly, maybe, or maybe not. Okay, maybe not. All right, I got another pair of pliers that have a wire cutter on them, so I'm going to try them. I've got a couple of pairs to try because I knew that some of them wasn't very good. Can I get grip on there to squeeze? That's probably going to come off, isn't it? No. Okay, it's not completely broke. Yeah, you definitely need good wire cutters. I don't have any. Okay, let me try the this way again. Nope. I think I actually bent. Yeah, I did. I actually bent those. Oh wow. Okay, so it's nearly off. Let me go back with these again. There we go. I'm just going to snap it off. I forced it. Yeah, it's quite threaded, and that's just where I've undone it a few times and obviously changed the brake pads and stuff, so that's why it is that way. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pull that cable all the way through the top. I'm going to squeeze the brake lever, squeeze the brake lever, pull this cable out of there. So I'm going to leave the red outer case there because that's fine, so I'm just going to hold that there whilst I am pulling all this cable out. There we go. That's quite a long cable, as you can see. It's quite long. So is what I went for. Hopefully it's going to be long enough. I'm pretty sure it will. I've changed them on a bike, but I've never changed them on a scooter before. But this is a Jaguar brake cable, 2 meters long. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that will cover it. Good thing is we've got a nice clean cut to start off with. So I'm just going to put that into there and push that all the way through. Nice and easy. Hasn't came out the other end yet. Still hasn't. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to wonder. It still hasn't come out. I'm starting to wonder, is this going to be big enough? Okay, so it's kind of stuck there. So I'm going to come down to the brake part. I'll show you what I'm unscrewing here. So this is normally the brake adjuster that I'm unscrewing. Well, actually, I suppose I could just pull that out like that. Okay, let's try pushing the cable. There we go. That's now came out. So we come back down here, push this. Trying to get the camera angle right, Bubbles, come on. And then we get the end of this, and that goes into that part that just there. There we go. And then we come back up here, we put that square part into there, follow it around the back, and then we push that in so the red outer cable goes back inside. Pretty straightforward, pretty quick. And then we come back down here. Now, as what I'm going to be doing, I think I'm going to wrap the wire around, just because I don't have any good wire cutters at the moment. So I'm going to just do, yeah, I'm just going to wind it round there. Okay, then we get our Allen key, 3mm. We tighten it back up again. So if you've got any comments on electric scooters, or this scooter, or any other scooter, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to try and help you out. I'm not qualified, but I've messed around with a lot of electric scooters, and since I've done that, I've learned so much about them. So I'm pretty good with all different converters and stuff. I've also built electric bikes and all that kind of stuff. You'll find that on the channel as well. So that's all I'm going to do with this. I'm just going to go around maybe like twice, and then this wire, I'm going to just loop it through so it keeps it in place. I'll hold that for a second. There we go. And through one more time, if it will go. There we go. It split my glove. So yeah, I'm just going to leave that like that. And then let's pull the brake, quickly test it. That's perfect. That was a very quick, simple, easy job. I probably spent more time talking than what I did anything else. So yeah, pretty quick, easy to do. Any comments, leave in the comment section below. This is the M365 Pro. It will also work on the Xiaomi M365, the M365 Pro 2, and of course the M365 Pro 3 or Mi 3. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.